going to learn how to purchase books from the online bookstore. But first, let's go over what you'll need. A copy of your current schedule of classes, which you can find on your My Gateway student portal, your student ID, and your class syllabi. This is optional, but it is nice to have your syllabus next to you so you can compare what's on your syllabus to what's on the bookstore website. To find the bookstore website, you can either type Cypress College Bookstore in the search engine directly, or you can put it in the address bar. bkstr.com/cypressstore/shop/textbooks. Once the home page appears, navigate your cursor to the top right-hand corner and click the down arrow. If you haven't created an account already, go to the very bottom and click Create Account. Fill in all of your personal information, first name, last name, email address, and create a password, then click the Create Account button. If you already have an account, you can either click the Sign In button here or the Sign In button at the very top. Now, you're going to navigate your cursor over to the left-hand part of the screen where it says Textbooks. Click on the Textbooks, and this is the screen that should appear, with the term already entered for you. Then you're going to take your schedule of classes, and you're going to enter your department, your course, and your section number. You're going to continue to do this until you've entered all of your courses in. Then at the bottom, you'll click on the Find Course Materials button. Now, the first thing I'd like to draw to your attention is this will say how many required textbooks and how many recommended or suggested textbooks there are. You'll also notice that you have different options when purchasing your books. You can purchase a book that's new. You can purchase a rented book that's used or new. EOPS, by the way, does cover rented books. Or you can buy the digital version. Now, not every class is going to have all of these options, but just know that if they do, we cover all of them. The only thing that we don't cover is the recommended or suggested books. Now you simply check off the books that you would like to purchase or rent. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Add Items to Bag. Next, you'll see a pop-up where you can review what you plan to purchase, and you'll click on View Bag and Check Out. Once again, you'll be able to take a look at what's inside your bag. If you know you haven't missed anything, you can go ahead and click on Check Out. A note from the bookstore will pop up that says that there's a possibility that the textbook that you're purchasing, you used or new or rented or digital, might not be available. So what they'll do is they'll replace it with the version that they do have, and they'll adjust the cost. If you're unhappy with your purchase, you can return it at no cost to you. Then you'll go ahead and click on Proceed to Checkout. Next, you'll get to choose your delivery method. So first you can decide between a curbside pickup, which is free, and the bookstore will send you an email with instructions on how to do that, or you can have it shipped to your address. Just know that the cost to have it shipped to your address is $7.50, and it could take up to 7 business days. As long as you have money left over from your purchase from the BSA, we'll go ahead and cover the cost of the shipping. Also, you're going to want to double check to make sure that your address is correct. If it's not correct, you can go ahead and add new shipping address or edit the shipping address that you already have listed. Now I'm going to proceed to payment method. This is where you really need to pay attention. So here you're going to see this option, EOPS, Guardian Scholars, SEIU, and STEM. You're going to click on it, and you're going to enter your student ID number without the ampersand. So just the number. You'll click on Find Accounts, and this gray box should appear. Don't worry, you'll have more than $1. So once you see that you have this amount, you'll click on Please Agree to Terms and Pay with this. And then you'll notice at the top here that whatever your book service award amount is will be deducted from the total. So I have $1 and now I owe $243 for my books. You can choose to pay with a gift card or a credit card, debit card. Then you'll go, if you've rented a textbook, you'll proceed to the rental agreement and you'll click on the Pay button. Since I'm not actually buying these books, this is where I'll have to stop. So it's as simple as that, Chargers. If you have any questions after watching this tutorial, feel free to contact us via Cranium Cafe. Call us at 714-484-7368 or give the bookstore a call at 714-484-7336. Thanks and good luck!